Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix video recording issues on Realme Narzo 50A or its predecessors and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first thing what you have to do is just have to check if the camera lens is dirty, and this can be the reason for the problem. As you can see, it is working good right now. Whenever you feel like it's not working good, then definitely the issue will be related to the camera. So you just have to check in this part. So you have to just clean the cameras and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not working, then definitely you will be having these kind of troubles. You just have to check for it. And also one of the reason for the video record related common problem in Realme Narzo 50A as well as its predecessors is low storage space available. So you just have to check it. Right, you have to check whether you're having enough space. As you can see, there is no video so far, but definitely we are having space. When used up, you'll be getting a notification over here regarding the space. So you just have to you have to think in that way. And also running the camera app in the custom settings can be a reason for this problem in some cases. And also you need to make it sure the problem is not just caused by your Realme Narzo 50A, because the camera lens is physically damaged. As you can see, if it's fallen from your bare hands or the lens is completely damaged due to some other reasons, definitely you'll not be able to capture something. So you have to think in that way also. That can be and also the issue. So you have to think in that way. And also there are certain devices or chances in this problem can be just caused by the software issue in the device. So which means you have to update the OS or into the newest version in the available, and you just have to check for it. You can check over here you can check that in between. You can check the OS over here. So what you have to do is, in order to just have to navigate to settings, scroll down and tap on software update, and you have to check for the updates, and any updates are there, you just have to go for the update, and most probably that can fix the issue. And also sometimes turn on airplane mode and check if the videos can be now recorded, right? So you have to enable the airplane mode and you have to click over here and you have to keep it into the video, and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue, and you're good to go with this. And if it's not been fixed up, then definitely you have to find an alternative way. And also you have to try out in this way and also in this way. And also the problem might be there because you are using a third-party camera app which is your device is not being concerned about, like it's not being supported. Definitely you'll be having the issue. And also you can reset all settings to default in video recording settings, and you can check if the problem is solved. So these are the basic steps, and also you can try out for a restart, and sometimes this can fix the issue. So these are the basic things which you have to try out when you're having video recording issue on your Realme Narzo as well as on its predecessors, and this is how you can do this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.